Renata Walsh, and this is Renata's Place.
Actors World needs everybody, needs real people.
I'm talking about from infants?
From infants to
100 years old.
120 years
Yeah.
old. We need you to play that part.
Yeah.
What advice can you give?
One good piece, strong of advice I can give is to have faith, believe in yourself, and work hard at it.
I see this red wine you have set up for me and my guests. I'm used to drinking white wine with fish. At least that's what I learned back in the day. So what's up? What's up?
This is Louisiana style. And you gotta have red with Louisiana style because you need that life.
Oh.
Yeah. You know what? I'll tell you.
And the heels, You know,
You got it.
I don't have a shoe cam, so you know I gotta go like this. But this will lead right into
Red and black is the traditional colors of the rock star in the wild. So you've done well.
I've done well. See, I knew it.
You've got a little rock star in you.
I do actually.
Like recognizes like.
Gently but firmly.
So you know we're gonna try these on camera, like.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You ready for this money shot, and then
These are kind of fork
And then
cupcakes.
and then the frosting.
and then the frosting, right?
Each got a frosting bag.
Yay!
You pipe your frosting right on top. And a little swirl.
I don't know if mine will be pretty, but it looks delicious.
Thank you so much for joining me on Renata's Place, and stay tuned. You know, next time I'll have some more good food and some awesome guests. Thank you. Peace out.